welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you my Stow-N-Go oven kit for the Stanley 2-cup cook set. Stay tuned. So to make this kit, you're going to need a couple items. First of all, just a cooking sheet. I bought this at a secondhand store for $1.99. So you're going to have to take your cooking sheet and draw out a rectangle and cut it out. I used a Dremel tool on mine, but you could use a pair of tin snips. Now you want to make sure that it's a thicker one. You don't want a real thin piece because it needs to be sturdy enough. And it is 3 inches wide and 5 1/8 inch long, or 7.62 centimeters wide by 13 centimeters long. The second thing you're going to need is one of these silicone cooking sets here for muffins. Then taking a pair of scissors on this silicone sheet, this high temperature, this is made for an oven. You want to cut out one of these cups and trim it very carefully around the rim. If you've done all that properly, it will fit inside of our existing kit without any extra space. And opening up here, you can see it's still empty, so the oven kit doesn't take up any of our interior volume. And how this works, of course, we've got our spoon on the outside, which I've already showed you. So we go ahead and pull this out. Lay that aside, and then right here in the front, in between where our bail handle attaches, is where we have our oven plate. And so we just literally lift this out, and this is what our oven plate looks like. Now it is slightly curved, as you can see. That's to fit around the pot, and all you want to do is just bend it out a little bit and flatten it, just like so. And I did go ahead and round off the edges and smooth everything down. That's important. So this is what it looks like. Now, the other thing that is really neat is using this cozy right here on the bottom. Folded up inside is where we keep our silicone part of our cooking set. And how we do that is we just fold this in the sides like this, and then we fold these two flaps down like that. And then in this little pocket area here, we just slide it in, just like this. Push it flat, and then when we put it back inside of the cup, it disappears, it flattens it out. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.